$100, $110 in profits. I'm still in the beginning, 118, and we are still going up much further. Price is going up, 118, 125, 129, 135, 140, 150, 155. That's what I'm talking about. That's how you make big profits. That's how you flip your account. Hello traders, my greetings to each one of you. In this video I'm going to show you how to make big profits in trading and even how to flip your account using the whole version of this EMA strategy, which is available on my website for the serious traders who are seeking success, who are seeking the right information, the right way of trading. Okay, therefore here we are on euro dollar, and I have a small account. I'm trading from a small account with a very low leverage. So therefore now I would be buying because it's a great buy opportunity, as you can see. So I will be making a big buy volume as much as possible. I don't have much of leverage. Okay, so let's see. Okay, now we are going into an uptrend. Okay, and you will see how everything works. So mainly we are in uptrend. That's it. That's what I'm talking about. Price is going up and then try to retrace. Let's see other markets. Also, USD yen is also in a great downtrend. Also, AUD dollar in a great uptrend. Okay, so now basically since I have entered already on euro dollar, so I will remain on my euro dollar chart. Okay, and here we are. So now, as you can see, I am buying to make profits from this trend. Also, GBP dollar would be going in a very tough uptrend. Also, USD yen and also AUD dollar is going in a great uptrend. So for the people who are using the full EMA version, now they should be buying here. Also, buying from a long time ago. Okay, not just now. So they should be already riding this uptrend here. Some of you should be riding this downtrend here. Some of you should be riding this uptrend on GBP dollar, and the others like me here on euro dollar. Okay, but also you may have entered and now you are already making big profits and waiting for the market to establish what you want exactly. Okay, so that's how you will be making very big profits in the market, and you are waiting for that. Okay, so price tried to retrace, but as you can see, it didn't reach EMA 9. So we are going in a very tough uptrend, and the people who know the full EMA strategy already know why I have bought here and why I am analyzing this and saying that it's going to be a very tough uptrend. That's why I have entered my buy orders, and the market will be going up very tough. Volume mainly is below EMA 20 for some time, and then volume here crossed EMA 20, and we are going up and up much more. So volume is doing great, going higher and higher. Okay, until we reach a great level. Let's see other markets meanwhile. Also, GBP dollar is relaxing a little bit from this uptrend. For the USD yen, somehow going on sideways before continuing this downtrend. And AUD dollar is very tough. So the best one for the moment is AUD dollar. Okay, AUD dollar is doing a great uptrend for the moment. Okay, that's it. Euro dollar started to go up. I wish I have more leverage so I could have bought here maximum or a greater amount. I would have placed a greater amount of orders. Okay, always the higher the leverage, the better. But in any leverage, you can still manage to work and make profits. So here we are waiting for the price to get up much further. That's first $50, but really that's nothing in front of this uptrend that it's going to be very huge. So there's nonsense to be closing here. It's too early still. Okay, and I'm waiting for much bigger moves from the market. Even though the market is trying to go some sideways or retracing, that's fine. The market cannot always be going up and up and up. Okay, it will be either going up for some time, either down, up and down, but you have to learn to analyze and to keep in your mind the main direction, which here is up. So the main direction is up, so no worries about these sideways going up and down for some moments. Okay, so there is no need to worry. And as you know, in an uptrend and also in a downtrend, EMAs form or determine the support and resistance areas. So the first support area would be determined in a while between EMA 9 and EMA 20. So that's it. The price is retracing a little bit. Okay, there's no worries about that. Let's see other markets. Also in GBP dollar, the price is retracing, and also in USD yen and AUD dollar. Okay, so mainly all markets are retracing for the moment. There's no worries about that. Okay. So you just pass the retracement and you wait for the market to continue going up. And how to make sure that this is only a retracement, because volume is still below EMA 20. There is no big volume. And now look at the close of this candle. 57, 59 seconds. That's it. So you have to always keep your eye on market watch. And as you can see, at the end of this one, the market has closed here in a rejection. So this candle indicates a rejection if you know how to read the chart, candlestick chart patterns, and how to analyze the price action. For example, here it was a great price action sign of a reversal, because you have almost 2 or 3 bottoms. So the market was not able to break below these bottoms, for many times rejected, and that's why the reverse appeared immediately. The market reversed directly after that. Okay, so reading the chart patterns is also essential. How to analyze the chart patterns, and also working on your trading psychology. Even if you have the best trading system, if you don't have the right trading psychology, you're not going to make it, because you will be overtraining. You cannot control your fear, you cannot control your emotions of greed, and without controlling your emotions, trading is very hard. Okay, it cannot be done. It's not feasible without controlling the emotions. Okay, so here take a look at this hammer. So the price tried to retrace but was rejected there, and from here now price bounced off again, and we are going up again. Also on euro dollar, that's it. Take a look at the price action. Rejection here, inverted hammer, and price started to go up. So it was rejected on the first support area. So mainly I have bought here, and price just went down slightly below my orders. That's very fine. You have to control your emotions. If you feel afraid here and you close your trades out of fear, it means you don't trust, you don't have the right self-confidence, you don't have the right mindset or the right psychology needed, required for trading very well. Okay, so here we are going much further. Okay, price is trying to go up for the moment. Also in other markets, the same. For GBP dollar also, it's going on some sideways. Okay, perfect. USD yen, as we have discussed, it's going to be a very tough downtrend. That's how you will be flipping your account. So here it retraced. This is the biggest confirmation, this candle. Okay, first resistance area, let me zoom. First resistance area between 9 and 20. Second resistance area between 20 and 50. Third and last most powerful resistance area between 50 and 200. The price did well on the first resistance area, crossed it, but was rejected on the second resistance area, as you can see. Okay, the candle closed below it, outside of it, and price returned to continue this downtrend. That's how you should be analyzing the market. That's it. Now price is going to cross these bottoms, or this one exactly. Okay, for AUD dollar also the same, rejected on the first support area. So here in uptrend, we have EMA 9, EMA 20, EMA 50, EMA 200. Okay, also euro dollar is doing great, going back up again and again. Okay, so AUD dollar, let me return for it. Okay, first support area between 9 and 20, second support area between 20 and 50, third support area between 50 and 200. On the first one, price crossed it, tried to enter the second support area but rejected immediately, and price started to trend up again. That's the euro dollar also making very big green candles, very big bull candles, and price is going bullish, and it's going to be a very tough uptrend. That's why we have entered this uptrend very early on, and we will be making lots of profits and even flipping your account as long as you have a high required leverage. Okay, so if you have leverage enough, you can flip your account much faster because you will have the opportunity to make much more trades in the market. Okay, so here we are. Price crossed the first support area, rejected immediately. Look at these two candles. First one indicating rejection. Price was not able to close outside of it. Price was not able to close in this area. Okay, it has closed almost outside it, and then this one inverted hammer, and from there price started trending up. And here I am on my first $100 within minutes. I have made my first $100, and I'm still waiting. Okay, that's how you make big profits. 101, 103, $100, $110 in profits. I'm still in the beginning. 118, and we are still going up much further. Price is going up. 118, 125, 129, 135, 140, 150, 155. That's what I'm talking about. That's how you make big profits. That's how you flip your account. Within minutes, I am making $150. Within minutes. That's it. 144, 150, and we are still going up much further. Now we have this resistance, this top one. We will be crossing it, and now I'll be closing my orders. I will be paying attention to the market watch. Okay, that's it. Now I'm closing my first orders. Okay, I will be telling you why. Pay attention here. Okay, I have closed my first orders with almost $140 in profits. Why? Because price has reached this top. Okay, that's how you would be using the previous levels of support and resistance. At this level, price was rejected before. Okay, so now price would be rejected again, but now I will be selling to make profits out of this one. Okay, that's how you make it. Now I am selling to reach EMAs, and when reaching EMAs back, I will be buying. Now I am selling to reach EMAs, and then I'll be buying. Of course, I am not revealing the details. Everything is very well explained in the full version of the EMA strategy. Okay? So now I have sold and waiting for the price to reach the EMAs back. As you can see, my take profits are there. I will be doubling my profits with this entry. So I'll be waiting for the price to reach the first support area. Now the first support area is created very well. It's very well established, as you can see it, between 9 and 20. And I'm waiting for the price to retrace toward it, and I will be making lots of profits. When price retrace, I will be almost doubling my profits. Okay? Price is still trying to go up much further, but as you can see, it's a tough level. At this level, you should be waiting for a retracement. Okay? Of course, you may not hit the top exactly. Price may still go slightly above it. That's fine. You just have to wait for it. Control your emotions. As we have said, controlling emotions is key. Okay, GBP dollar also is continuing this uptrend. USD yen, unable to continue this downtrend. USD yen. USD yen is facing lots of problems, and AUD dollar is going up. I told you from there, when price was even there, USD dollar is doing great. USD dollar is going in a very tough uptrend. That's what I was talking about. Euro dollar, that's it. That's what I'm talking about on euro dollar. I told you that price would be retracing, and take a look at this candle, indecision. Okay, rejected, and here I am making profits again and again. That's $17 in profits, and I'm still waiting. 22, 23, and I'm still waiting for the price to reach my my levels here. Okay, so now I am waiting for the retracement, and as you can see, price is trying to retrace. Always pay attention to the market watch. So now we have ended this market watch. So this candle, okay, each candle is representing in 1 minute because I am on M1 time frame, of course. And that's it, price is retracing again and again. So my take profits would be there. Let's see if other markets are also retracing meanwhile. GBP dollar is not retracing. USD yen going on sideways. USD yen is risky for this trend. And here we are on AUD dollar is doing great, continuing this uptrend. Euro GBP nothing, mainly it's going on sideways, so from the beginning. Okay, let's return back to euro dollar. That's it, euro dollar is going down much further, and I'm making $25 in profit. Okay, that's how you will be making lots of profits, but price is unable to even reach EMA 9. Okay, pay attention here to market watch. Okay, 29, 27. Okay, now I'll be closing on this reach. I have closed. Okay, I have closed on this reach. Why? Because I knew price would be going up, and now I will be selling again this price before continuing this uptrend. Okay, so I'm selling because now price will be going up again and again. That's how you should be able to read the market. Okay, reading the market is essential, and it comes with more experience, with more time. That's how things works. Okay, so I'm trying to have the full orders, and that's it. Price was rejected on the first support area because it's going to be a very tough uptrend, and price would be continuing this main uptrend from there. Also for GBP dollar and for USD. For USD yen, it's trying to continue this downtrend also. Let's see for other markets, for AUD dollar. And for meanwhile, within minutes, I have made $165, and I'm still waiting for the price to get up much further. Okay, AUD dollar is continuing its uptrend. As you can see, the retracement is very weak. Okay, it's very weak in all markets. The first support area is always reached, but never the second or the third. Okay, as you can see. So this is a tough uptrend, and price will be going up much further. Also on USD yen, it's always trying to break this last low. Okay, this last bottom. USD yen is trying very hard to break the last bottom, but always unable to break it. Also for GBP dollar, it's remaining up. When trying to enter the first support area, it's always rejected. As you can see, price is unable to even close in the first support area. Whenever price is entering or reaching the first support area, price is rejected immediately and going up much further from there. Okay, so that's a great sign of the continuation of this uptrend. So this uptrend is going to be tough. This uptrend is continuing much further. Okay, for AUD dollar, the best one, AUD dollar is still continuing up. Let's see for euro dollar. Also, euro dollar, as I told you, the rejection is here to confirm our predictions. Okay, price tried to retrace but rejected immediately, even though slightly below your orders. That's fine. Okay, price tried to close inside the first support area but rejected immediately, and from there price will be bouncing up again. And take a look at the retracement. Volume was below EMA 20. When price was retracing, volume was below EMA 20, and now volume will be crossing volume here crossed EMA 20 on this candle. Okay, if you can see it on this candle, volume crossed EMA 20. What does that mean? It means buyers have entered immediately, were waiting in the first support area, and have entered immediately here to buy this market and to take the price up again from sellers. Okay, so that's why volume crossed EMA 20, and now volume is going to cross it further. So we should see big volume candles, okay, big volume bars, and from there price will be bouncing up again and again. Okay, so let's see it. Okay, now let's see the bounce. Okay, that's what I'm talking about. Let's see other markets. Meanwhile, GBP dollar is still in the retracement phase and will be bouncing up from there. Also, USD yen is facing hard times, as discussed earlier on. USD yen is facing hard moments. Okay, it's trying to go down. The market is trying to take the price down again, but it's facing very tough moments. AUD dollar is retracing for the moment, reaching back EMAs, and we are still waiting for this uptrend to continue on. Also for Euro GBP, it's going on sideways. It's a good sideways trading, sideways ranging market. Okay, so you can buy here and sell up, buy and sell. So it's going on a good ranging market. Okay, support level and resistance level are very well known. Okay, so from there it's doing well for ranging trades. And for GBP dollar, after this retracement, price is going up. Let's see also for AUD dollar. AUD dollar in the first support area, still in the first support area for AUD dollar. Okay, we are still in the first. For Euro dollar also, we are still in the first support area. As you can see, we are here in the first support area. Okay, actually I have closed my selling orders there in the first of this support area. Okay, because it was not guaranteed that price will continue to EMA 20. Okay, so I have closed here my on my profits and entered these buy orders, but price decided to remain much longer in the first support area, and that's fine. You just wait for it to pass, wait for the price to retrace, to establish the retracement enough, okay, to establish it very well, to retrace very well, and from there price will be going up much further. So that's fine, just wait for the retracement. Sometimes the market face slow retracement, okay, so it takes time to retrace and bounce off again. But in other times, price retrace immediately and bounces off immediately. We are still in the short term. Okay, this is not a long period of retracement. We are still in the short term, and these candles, these indecisive candles, indicates that neither buyer nor sellers are able to take the price in one direction. As I have explained once in my previous videos, in order for the price to trend either up or down, you need the market, you need big volume. Okay, so the market mainly is going up and down. To be able to take it in one direction, either up or down, you need big volume. Okay, and now we need like this one. Okay, we need this big candles, we need these big bars here to get back up this uptrend. Okay, also let's see other markets meanwhile are doing also for the GBP dollar. The retracement started to be tough a little bit, so indicating that this uptrend that started on, maybe it's not going to remain, and the price maybe is going to retrace. Okay, for USD yen also, for AUD dollar also. So mainly all markets are in the retracement phase for the moment. We are still in the retracement phase for the moment. Okay, that's it. You will be reading the market, you will be knowing what the market is doing, and from there everything starts to become easier. So now we are still waiting for it. Always learn to be patient in forex trading. Sometimes things comes your way very fast. Sometimes you have to wait a little bit, so don't rush it anytime. Okay. Okay, so for euro dollar, we are still in the second support area and waiting for the price to bounce off from there. The missing sign is big volume. Okay, now that's it. Price will be bouncing off. Very big green candles are on the way and we are waiting for them. Very big green candles are on the way. Okay. Here we are. Okay, price started to break the support areas one by one, started to go out from these support areas. So the retracement is about to end. Look at these candles showing retracement. Look at volume confirming the retracement. Okay. So we are still waiting. Okay, price now will be bouncing up very fast. Okay. It's going to be a tough uptrend. That's it. Price returned. We have made our profits there and then re-entered this uptrend. That's what I'm talking about. Price is bouncing off from the support areas again and again. Also for GBP dollar also bounced off, and USD yen still facing problems. USD yen. So in case you have entered this selling shorting trend, now it's a good time to close on your profits because price is making many bottoms. Okay, price is facing difficulties breaking this bottom, this price level. Okay, so since you are riding this trend from earlier time, now it's a good time to close on your profits. Okay, and wait for the price to either retrace, giving you another good opportunity to resell, or for the price to continue this downtrend or even reverse. Okay, so now it's time to close on your profits first of all and wait to see what the market is going to do and then decide what's the right entry. Okay, you know everything from the full version. That's it. AUD dollar is going up much further. AUD dollar still going up, and Euro GBP, we are still in this phase here. GBP dollar is also moving up. Okay. So you should be trading both retracement, uptrend, reaching EMAs, everything. Okay. That's how you'll be making very big profits in the market using trading too many opportunities that are available to you. It's not over trading, pay attention. If you go into over trading, that will be killing your account. Okay, over trading kills your account. So you will be taking things slowly, analyzing the market and placing your trades correctly, but you will have too many opportunities. Okay, as you can see, volume is still below EMA 20. It means we are still in the retracement phase, and from there price bounced off, but we are still waiting for these big green candles as it happened before. Okay, and here as you can see, I have sold exactly in a while. I have sold exactly at the top of this this uptrend, and then I have closed my selling orders here and inside the support area and the first of it. Okay, so that's it. You will be able to read the market when it's going up, when it's retracing, when it will be bouncing off. Okay, everything would be easier. So we are still waiting for this bounce up from there. The missing sign is confirming its absence, volume below EMA 20, and it's confirming that each minute that the volume is still below EMA 20. As you can see, we are still below EMA 20. Okay, but that's fine. You just wait for it to pass, and from there you take things on. Also, GBP dollar is not doing great in this uptrend, but still we are making an uptrend. As you can see, we have first high, then retraced, second high, then retraced, high, retraced. But it's not an aggressive uptrend. It means price is not going up and up and up and then retracing. Okay, this is a tough uptrend. That's the right trends that when you are riding them, you will be making a huge profits. Okay, this kind of uptrend or downtrend is good, but to trade this kind of trends correctly and make the most of profits out of them, you cannot buy and hold and keep waiting for the price to get up and retrace and get up and retrace. You cannot be waiting for these to happen all the time. Okay, you'll be wasting time waiting for them. So in this case, you will be buying, selling, buying again and selling. Okay, so you will be as I am doing here on euro dollar. Okay, I have bought, made big profits from this uptrend, retraced, made profits, and now I'm waiting for the bounce off again. Okay, but if it was a tough trend, and you know how to realize a tough trend, and the full version very well is explained, everything is explained very well. Okay, you know that tough trends, you buy and hold them for a good time. Okay, so you make huge profits out of them and then you close on your profits. But in this kind of trends, you have to buy and sell, so you have to ride the trend, retrace, ride the trend and retrace. Okay, it's going on very different levels. AUD dollar also, okay, at first it made a big up move, then retraced, and now here we are, up and retrace. We are always going up and then retracing, so we just wait for that to happen. It means the market or buyers and sellers, the traders, are indecisive for the moment. Okay, they are indecisive, waiting for the price to move in a direction, to know more about the price. They are not sure about where the price is going for the moment. Okay, and in this case, when the market is not sure about which direction, you would see these movements slightly up, slightly down. That's it. Price mainly during these moments retrace and remain in support areas. Okay, that's why now price is remaining in these support areas before breaking them again and starting going up. Okay, so we are waiting for this bounce. We need big volume to make it. We need big volume, and of course you cannot control the volume of the market. Sometimes you have big volume, sometimes not, so you cannot control when to have a big volume, of course. Okay, but you should be knowing that I need big volume for this uptrend to continue, and I'm waiting for it. So your signs are here. Okay, take a look. Volume was up and then went down below EMA 20 profits. Here we are. Okay, price is trying to bounce up again from there. Okay. Okay, price is bouncing up. Let's see. Price is trying to bounce up. Also from here, I will be trading all of these markets. All of these markets. Let's see. I'll be trading all of these markets almost. Okay, we are still waiting for the price to bounce We need this big volume. We are waiting for it. We need it. USD yen, as I told you, it's a great time to quit on this downtrend. For AUD dollar, after finishing this retracement, it would be bouncing up and continuing this uptrend. So it's worth waiting for it. Also, euro dollar, finally, we are waiting for these big green candles, and they are coming our way. Okay, finally, let's see. We are still missing the big volume sign, at least crossing EMA 20. That's it. We are still missing the big volume sign. In this case, price would remain going on sideways. Okay, so, and it would be either slightly below your orders or slightly above your orders. So no worries. That's it. Price is bouncing up again. Price is bouncing up. Okay, that's it. That's what I'm talking about. Now price is bouncing up again and again. Okay. That's it. Price is bouncing up. That's what I'm talking about. But still, we are missing the volume sign. So volume is still below EMA 20. Okay, since volume is still on below EMA 20. Okay, that's it. And here we are, still waiting. That's it. I told you price will be going on sideways for the moment. Okay, now we have a great sign. Volume crossed EMA 20. Even though it was a bearish candle, but that's fine. Okay, because if you can look at the market watch, mainly the volume was hitting big or higher levels at the end, here at the rejection. So sellers entered from there to take price toward EMAs again, but buyers was here to reject the sellers in a big volume to take the price up again. So now we were missing the volume sign, and now we have it. Okay, so let's wait to see what the market is going to happen. Since we've had this big volume sign, we can wait for the market to establish correctly. Okay, we are still in the first or second support area. Price is still going sideways, and we are still waiting for this bounce up. That's it. So you have to wait sometimes. So you just wait for it, and it works very well. Okay, so we just have to wait for. Okay, GBP dollar after this retracement is going up again. GBP dollar started to bounce up again. Okay, it's drifting upward. So we wanted to break this last peak. Let's see. For AUD dollar, also Euro GBP is still doing this phase. Okay, GBP dollar as discussed, it's going up much further. Let's see for Euro dollar. Euro dollar is still facing problems. Okay, Euro dollar is still in the first support area. Knowing that volume started to cross EMA 20, that's a good sign indicating that okay, how to analyze it in this case? Volume is reaching EMA 20 but not remaining above EMA 20. What does that mean? it means that big green candles or continuation of this uptrend is on the way. But as you can see, it's not remaining. That's why we cannot say now price will be bouncing off. Okay, but we know for sure that this bounce is on the way. Okay, because volume is reaching EMA 20. So buyers are indicating their presence, they're coming back again. Buyers are indicating that they are back again. Take a look, volume was below EMA 20 for a long period. And now buyers are indicating their presence, but slightly. Okay, not putting a big pressure on the market, but this big pressure is coming, okay, and very soon. Okay, GBP dollar crossed it. GBP dollar is continuing its uptrend. That's what I'm talking about. Also, AUD dollar is still. Euro GBP started also to trend, making a downtrend. So mainly the euro dollar will be bouncing off now in a while. Also GBP dollar. Okay, so now wait for the GBP dollar to make it up much further. Close with your profits, close on your profits, and sell it when it toward reaching EMAs again, and then buy and sell. Okay, keep it like that because it's like that going this trend. It's not going a tough uptrend. Okay, aggressive uptrend. No, it's going up, retracing up and retracing. Okay, euro dollar will be breaking up also. We are still waiting for it. Euro dollar also will be breaking up. Okay, it's breaking the, as you can see here, we have support and resistance. So mainly it's a ranging level. So this is the low of it and this is the high. So now if price is able to break this high, it will continue up, continuing this uptrend. Okay, so we wanted to break this high as GBP dollar did. This is what I'm talking about. The GBP dollar crossed this last peak, and from there, now GBP dollar is going in a great uptrend. Okay, that's it. GBP dollar will be going up much further and further, and euro dollar will be following it. Okay, now also what you have seen in GBP dollar, you will see in euro dollar. Just wait for it. Also, AUD dollar is following. Okay, and USD yen also, after going on these sideways, is continuing its downtrend. And AUD dollar, I told you it would be following, and that's it. Okay, let's wait for the markets. Here we are, price is going up much further. Okay, let's see euro dollar. Euro dollar is breaking, now is facing some difficulties breaking this one. Okay, now from there, price will be going up much further. Okay, GBP dollar, I told you this is going to be a very tough uptrend, and now you will see this same shape in euro dollar. Just wait for it. And AUD dollar, also AUD dollar. Now AUD dollar is on the decision level. If AUD dollar breaks this decision level, we will be going up much further. And euro dollar also the same. Euro dollar is in the decision level. It has already started to break it, and now that's it, broken. The decision level is broken. It means the market decided to continue this uptrend as exactly as I have predicted. Okay, that's how you should be able to predict the market. Okay, everything is explained, of course, in the full version. Euro GBP, I told you it's a great selling shorting market for the moment. Okay, it's a great selling for the moment. Okay, GBP dollar is up and euro dollar. That's what I'm talking about. Euro dollar is up again, is bouncing up again. Okay, so we have waited for three retracement. First one here, instead of bouncing, this candle gave the right signal that the market is going to retrace again, and from there we were up, retraced and up. So things are moving slowly. And what did I say about the volume indicator? I told you that from here we have an indicator that since volume crossed the EMA 20 after a long period, this is a great sign that buyers are coming back. But it did not remain above it, so it means buyers are coming back and the price will start trending up very soon, but not now, because price is not remaining up. And whenever, because volume bar is not remaining up, whenever volume bar started to remain above EMA 20, the price started to trend up again and again, and here we are going up much further. You see it, you see how to analyze it. You should be perfect in analyzing your trading setup. Okay, you don't have to make any mistake analyzing your trading setup. You should be able to analyze it perfectly. Okay, now so we are in another decision level again. Price was rejected here from some time, but now it will be breaking it. Okay, also GBP dollar is trying to retrace for the moment, but you are protected with first support area, second and third. Okay, okay, so euro dollar, we are still waiting for the breakout that is on the way. We just need to break this level and the price will continue up further, maybe till there. So it will be a great uptrend. Okay, a great up move, and it's easy for the euro dollar to make it in the moment. Okay, here we can see indecisive candles again, price retraced again. No worries about that. Okay, it's because of the absence of the volume crossing EMA 20. Okay, volume remained above EMA 20, price remained in uptrend. Volume faded below EMA 20, volume price retraced. Okay, you see how the coordination is made between the volume indicator using EMA 20 applied to it and the chart. That's it. Okay, so price will be continuing from there and we are still waiting for it. Also here on GBP dollar, price retraced, but now will be continuing from there. Euro dollar is still in this retracement mode. That's fine. Okay, GBP dollar is a great buy opportunity for the moment. AUD dollar, that's it. It's continuing its uptrend. Also the same. Buy it, wait for it to go up, and then close and then sell to reach the EMAs for the price to retrace. Euro dollar this time bounced from the first support area, and now your support area is above. So your support area is going up with the price. Okay, that's very important because you are much more protected. The support area is closer to your orders and now will become above your orders. Okay, that's what we were waiting for. This green candle, we were waiting for it a long time. That's it. Euro dollar crossed. Okay, we needed to cross this peak. We needed to break this top to confirm the return of this uptrend. We just need to break the stop, and from there, okay, as you can see, price is facing lots of difficulties breaking this one. So I would be moving in this case to another chart. Okay, just wait for it. I will be moving to a faster, much better chart like AUD dollar or GBP dollar. Okay, you have to learn how to move to the best opportunity. You don't need a chart like this one. It's moving on sideways. It's not able to break this top. So what you can do, since it's not able to break the stop, it means of course your orders, your buy orders would be below the stop because price didn't break the stop. Okay, so your buy orders would be either on the stop or below it, and therefore you could close with a slight loss or when price is on your orders, let's say, or slightly above your orders. Okay, so you can close like that and move to another chart. Okay, because it's risky to keep waiting. This is the first, if you know price action, this is the first top. Okay, and now we are making the second. So from there, the market has a big probability of retracing. Okay, so let's see what we'll be doing about it. Now the price is doing well. It's going up, but still not able to break it. Okay, we need to break this level to continue this uptrend, but price is still not able to break it. So in this case, I'm looking for other charts and to move to the best one. Okay, I will be closing on these 11 after this long wait. Okay, I have closed on these 11. That's fine. I'll be moving to another much better chart. Okay, like AUD dollar is doing well, USD yen is doing well, and the GBP dollar should be retracing from here. Okay, so I'm moving to GBP dollar. Okay, that's it. You should be moving to another chart. Okay, which is much faster, doing better. That's how you optimize your profits. Okay, maybe now euro dollar will continue going up, but it's very risky. Okay, you have two tops. Okay, as you can see here, the candles are very indecisive, trying to break but not able. Okay, now euro dollar may be breaking this one, but why take this risk? Price tried many times to break it and was not able. So instead, close on your profits or maybe a slight loss and move to another chart which is much more aggressive, much faster. Okay, so you don't waste your time. That's it. USD yen also is doing perfect. Okay, and that's how to place your orders in the most powerful way. Okay, AUD dollar is going up, also USD yen. We are on GBP dollar. Euro dollar broke this one. Okay, so price may continue going up, but we are still missing the volume sign. Okay, here we are on GBP dollar, the best for the moment, and also USD yen is doing great, and also AUD dollar is doing great. Okay, so here I am, 44, 56, or 60 on GBP dollar. I told you, you have to always go with the best, with the best chart, with the best opportunity to make the bigger profits out of the market. Okay, don't wait for the euro dollar. As you can see, it's going up and rejected, up and rejected. Why wait for it? Go with the best. Always follow the best. Okay, the best for the moment, or one of the best, is GBP dollar. USD yen is also great, and AUD dollar also. AUD dollar is also a great one. Okay, but why I decided to enter on GBP dollar? Because it was on a retracement level. Okay, GBP dollar is on a retracement mode, and that's why I have bought the GBP dollar, because it's on a retracement mode. Okay, so it was a great buying opportunity. It was retracing. It was not up. Okay, I bought GBP dollar on retracement near the first support area. Okay, so you have to understand very well how things work. I could have entered here on AUD dollar, but AUD dollar is still in the up mode, and the market may retrace in a second. Okay, so why take this risk? Risk management is a key, it's essential. Also, USD yen now is giving a great selling one. Okay, so GBP dollar, we've bought it here and we are waiting for it to establish much more, going up much further. And for the euro dollar, as you can see, euro dollar facing big problems here at the decision level. Okay, facing big problems, so it's risky to use it and it's very slow, so of course we will stay away from it. Let's see on GBP dollar, $94. That's another $100 on the way. Just wait for it, how much I will be making. That's another $100 within less than 1 hour. I am on more than $200 in profits, or even $300 in profits, trading a very small account, trading a very small leverage. Okay, that's it. 90, 100, 101, 109, and going much further, 120. I told you the GBP dollar is the best entry for the moment, and we are going up. 160, okay, 165, and we will be going much further. 160, here we are riding this uptrend. 166, okay, and I'm still riding it. I'm still not closing here, but here we are on a decision one. Okay, here we are on a decision one. Okay, we should pay attention. We are on a decision level. Here we are on a decision level. Okay, so I'm still waiting for the price to go up much further. Because price was immediately on EMA 9. Okay, it's not a long time from crossing EMA 9, so price should not be reaching EMA 9 immediately. Okay, price should be going up much further, so that's why I didn't close. I'm waiting for the price to go up much further. Okay, knowing that price is trying to retrace, but that's it. Take a look at market watch. 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, and 60. That's it, rejected, and the buyers are continuing to take the lead. That's why you need to control your emotions. Let's see euro dollar. Euro dollar, after making this up move that we were waiting for it, it has retraced immediately. That's why it's not so strong. It's weak. Okay, GBP dollar is much stronger, but at this decision level is facing some difficulties, but that's fine. Volume is still above EMA 20. Okay, buyers are still there. This candle was rejected even above EMA 9. We didn't reach EMA 9. So the aggressive mode of this uptrend, the aggressive bullish market is now still available. Okay, the aggressive mode is still available to be making very big profits. So we are still riding it. Let's see other markets. USD yen still in the retracement mode and will be breaking down from there. AUD dollar, one of the best AUD dollar, is not reaching EMA 9 at all. Okay, Euro GBP was on sideways here and moved down a little bit, but still going in a raging market, let's say. Okay, so let's return back to GBP dollar. That's it. I told you price has a very low probability of reaching EMA 9 because it has been reached here. Okay, so now price will not be reaching EMA 9 immediately. Now price will be bouncing up again and again, going up much further, and from there we may start selling it. Okay, from there, so we are waiting for the price to go up much further, and from there we would be selling it. Okay, AUD dollar also is a great sell, is a great buy opportunity since the market is trending up. GBP dollar up again. GBP dollar up again because volume is remaining above EMA 20. Volume crossed EMA 20, it's remaining above it. That's why you are seeing these one. Okay, that's it. GBP dollar is up 190, $200 in profits, and I'm still going up much further. I'm flipping the account in this way in a very short time. Imagine you are doing this every day, from the morning till night. Imagine, okay? You will be flipping your account in a very short period of time, okay? Maybe in days, maybe in one day, maybe in some hours, maybe in some weeks, but you will be flipping your account sooner or later. Okay, so here it's a rejection, but not a real rejection. Okay, let's see how the price will act after that. You have to control your emotions always. Euro dollar is facing this rejection, so let's see also how it will act. So euro dollar now is trending up. Okay, it's trending up again and again. Now it's doing well, euro dollar, because as you can see, I told you the missing sign here was volume above EMA 20. Euro dollar is now a great one for buy opportunity. Okay, because the volume crossed EMA 20 again. Okay, as you can see, so we don't have any missing sign anymore. Okay, but we have already entered in GBP dollar and it's perfect. So we will keep on GBP dollar. USD yen also, it was a great one. AUD dollar the best. Okay, AUD dollar is the best one for this uptrend. So in this moment, AUD dollar is the best, going up and up and up. Take a look at this aggressive mode. Price is refusing to reach EMA 9 even. Price is refusing to reach EMA 9. We are going in a very tough uptrend. That's perfect. AUD dollar is doing great. Okay, here is our entry. Okay, that's what I was talking about. As you can see now, the first support area between 9 and the 20 is above my orders. That's why I'm very comfortable. My orders or my account is fully protected now because the first support area, which is a great buying weapon if you want, is above my orders. Okay, so I'm protected here. Okay, and as you can see, whenever price is trying to reach the first support area, it's rejected immediately. So my orders are protected with this support area. Okay, I have a protection here because whenever price is trying to, price has to cross this support area before being able to reach my orders, and that's impossible or has a low probability. Okay, it has a very low probability, as you can see from here. Price is not able to break the first support area. Price is bouncing up again. The direction is up. Buyers are ready. And now we will be going up. Just take a look how big this trend is going to be. Just take a look. Euro dollar started. GBP dollar following it. And USD yen also. AUD dollar also continuing. Just take a look how big. Okay. I will be making lots of profits out of it. We are still on 150, but still we will be making much more than that. Okay, we have already reached 200 and we will be breaking much more than 200. Okay, just wait for it to establish perfectly. Okay, euro dollar is still facing difficulties at this one, but it's doing very well because, as I told you, volume crossed EMA 20. We don't have this missing sign anymore, and that's it. The GBP dollar is here. Okay, trying to retrace. GBP dollar is bouncing and retracing and then bouncing and then retracing. That's fine, okay? You just wait for these slight retracements, and now completely the first support area is above my orders. This is complete. Okay, USD yen is returning again and AUD dollar is retracing somehow. Euro dollar also is relaxing. USD yen retracing. And GBP dollar is also retracing, okay, but here also from the price action, you know that price is just retracing and you are going up much further. Okay, so price here is just relaxing a little bit, and from there we will be going up much further. So we are making the first highs in the day, as you can see. This was the first high, okay? We are making the first highs of the day. And that's it. That's what I'm talking about, the full protection. The first support area is protecting your orders. Price tried to reach your orders down, but was rejected by the buyers, which are available in the first support area. And that's why, instead of the price continuing to go down much further, price is locked here in the first support area and should be bouncing up from there. And the second support area between 20 and 50 is going to be above my orders sooner or later. Okay, so just wait for it, wait for this bounce, wait on your profits, and you'll be making lots of profits. USD yen is doing a great retracement, so it's a great selling opportunity for the USD yen. Euro dollar is going up, but in a slow mode. Okay, up and retrace, but still the main trend is up, and the longer you wait on this uptrend, the more you will be making. Okay, This is going to be a very tough uptrend, and we are waiting for it to establish completely. As you can see, price is retracing. It's locked in the first support area. My orders are protected because the first support area is above my orders, and moreover, volume is failing below EMA 20. So that's why price is locked here. It's not able to continue this uptrend because we need volume to cross EMA 20 again. And of course, you cannot, I repeat, you cannot control the volume of the market. You just analyze it and know what do you need, okay? What do you want out of it? What are the signs that you are looking for? So even the price is retracing, and now we are in the first support area. I'm still winning because price is still above my orders, and that's the great risk management I'm talking about. Okay, so here we are. Let's see AUD dollar. AUD dollar, perfect, retraced, and now it's a great buy for AUD dollar. It's a great buy. GBP dollar finally going up again. Going up again, 165, 166, 180. 180 final GBP dollar should be breaking this one. If GBP dollar breaks this one, we will be going up much further and further. Okay, 170, 180, 190, and 200. Finally, $200. $200 in profits, and we are still going up. This is only the beginning. Euro dollar is also getting up. Okay, 212, as I told you, waiting, your waiting is worth it. 217, 215, as I told you, your waiting is worth it. Okay, just wait for it. EMA 9 is still attached to this candle, so we are going to see another bullish candle, another green candle. Okay, and this will add much more profits to your account. Just wait for it. 212, and you are still waiting for it to establish properly. Let's see for the euro dollar is trying to retrace. Okay, perfect. Let's see other markets meanwhile. AUD dollar also is trying to retrace. Okay, so I will be closing here since all other markets are trying to retrace, and this price would be retracing. Okay, I'll be selling this one, even though it's a small sell. Okay, it's a small short. Okay, just to give you the idea how things works. Okay, I will be selling this one as I have entered a sell order because price is trying to retrace for the moment. Okay, that's it. That's what I'm talking about. Okay, perfect. Okay, price is retracing. Price now is on EMA 9. Okay, price reached EMA 9, retraced immediately. Okay, now so I am on $372 in profits, and we are still waiting. Okay, euro dollar also was unable to. Okay, and AUD dollar also. So everyone is retracing, and now the best opportunity is here on AUD dollar. Okay, so GBP dollar, I should have closed it here, so that's fine. I will be closing this one because I want to reach AUD dollar. Okay, here I am on AUD dollar. Okay, I am placing as much as possible of orders because this is a great opportunity to enter on AUD dollar, a great buying opportunity. Okay, euro dollar is great for the moment. That's how you would be moving from a chart to another, making profits in each one, making the best of your profits. As you can see on GBP dollar, it has reached EMA 20, EMA 9, and that's why I have closed, because price is going on up, down, and now it's indecisive. Okay, so we need always the best, which is AUD dollar. Take a look. AUD dollar is not reaching EMA 9, now reached EMA 9 for in a while, and then went up again. Okay, and now we are in the first support area, so that's a great buying sign. It's a great buying sign to enter AUD dollar, much better than euro or GBP dollar, because euro GBP dollar are not able to make continuous up pattern. Okay, they are going up, retracing, going up, retracing. That's not how. That's not the perfect trend to ride. Okay, we need this one. We need this movement going up. Okay, we need this movement, continuous uptrend. Why I am selling and why I am buying, everything is explained in the full version. Okay, so the goal here is to show you how to flip your account very easily. Okay, within minutes I am on $369 in profits within 1 hour maybe. Okay, imagine doing that all the day, repeating and repeating. Okay, and with more leverage you will be flipping your account much easier. AUD dollar, I told you, that's what I have predicted exactly. It will be bouncing off from there, and that's what we are seeing now. Going much further to be making much more profits from that. Okay, it's bouncing up from here again and again, and that's it. Euro dollar is going up again. GBP dollar still on EMAs. Okay, so the best one is AUD dollar. That's it. That's why we have entered on AUD dollar. USD yen is also a great selling one, a great selling opportunity, because it has retraced, and from there price should be trending down again. Okay, so it's also a great selling opportunity here on USD yen, but mainly AUD dollar is the best. As you can see, AUD dollar is on EMA 9, unable to cross the first support area. So from there, price will be going up. Okay, so we just placed our orders and we are waiting for this bounce up. And also it's the first high in the day, so this one is the first high. First time this day price reached this level. Okay, it's going to be broken also, and okay, that's it, GBP dollar. I wanted to wait for to reach EMA 20 to make bigger profits in my last selling order, but also I prefer to close it and don't miss AUD dollar, because AUD dollar is giving a bigger uptrend. AUD dollar is giving much bigger profits. You have to always look for the bigger profits, and if you are in a choice between big profits and small one, of course you have to choose the big profits. But to understand that, to learn how to make this difference, to be moving from one to one, you need the full version. You need also to be practicing. Okay, so you get much better while practicing. You will be able to move from one to another. Okay, you need practice, of course. This is trading at the end. It's all about practicing. Okay, here we are, still in the first support area. Price is unable to break it. Euro dollar is doing well, unable to break EMA 9. Okay, euro dollar is also doing well. GBP dollar is still in the first support area. It will be bouncing from there. And our candidate AUD dollar, we are still waiting for its bounce. Okay, we are waiting for its. We are still waiting for its bounce for the AUD dollar. We are still going on sideways, but here also in price action you have to pay attention here. We are trying to create the head and shoulders pattern. This is the first shoulder, this is the head, and now if the price creates another shoulder here, the right one, it would be a head and shoulders pattern, indicating that the market is about to reverse. So this pattern indicates a reverse from an uptrend to a downtrend. Okay, so we have to pay attention for it. Always you have to pay attention to your price action and to your psychology in trading, to be able to analyze the market in a very objective way, in a very clear mode. Okay, so here we are. AUD dollar volume is fading below EMA 20. That's why it's on these ones. Okay, it's in this first support area, but we just need volume to cross EMA 20 and we will be going up from there. We are fully protected by the first support area. So we just wait for it, and from here also for the GBP dollar. Okay, AUD dollar returning back, bouncing back. That's what I have predicted. Let's see. We need big volume. We are still in the beginning of this candle, 20 seconds. So that's fine. But we need higher volume to be able to reach at least EMA 20. We need higher volume. Okay. That's it. That's it. The big green candle is not able to form. We need high volume. Okay. Okay. Other markets also are trying to go up. Other markets also are trying to go up again. And AUD dollar. That's it. Okay, perfect. That's what I'm talking about. We need a big volume bar, and that's it, 58, 59 seconds. So we've made it, not great, not excellent, but a good one, okay, not a bad one. We are almost on EMA 20, almost. And from there, we are indicating that the price will be bouncing up again. That's what you are seeing now, and the volume must become greater and greater. Price retraced, and from there we are going in a very uptrend. Okay, and that's it. So as you can see, since I started trading this market and this one, market is going up and up and uptrend. How did I know that we are going to be in these tough uptrends and downtrends in other markets? That's how you have to analyze the market to know when you are in uptrend or downtrend. Everything is explained in the full version. Okay. I'm just showing you how things work. Okay. Okay, that's it. This one is going up. Here you have to pay attention to head and shoulders. So if this one closed from here and market retrace, it means we have the head and shoulders pattern. Okay. But it's not like that. Mainly the price will be going up much further because after seeing this big bar with a green candle, after it immediately the next candle was green, bullish, and big volume reaching EMA 20. So from there we will be going up much further. Okay, so this uptrend is going to be continued. GBP dollar, that's why I closed my orders here on GBP dollar, because as you can see, price is attached to EMAs, unable to break from them. Okay. USD yen, told you it was a great selling opportunity here. Okay, so if you have sold USD yen, now you should be enjoying the first of your profits. AUD dollar, get back up, get back up. Okay, perfect. AUD dollar is back up again, and we are waiting for it to establish much more perfectly, go up much further. Okay, we are going up. That's it. Perfect. Let's see. I'm already on 28, 26, and I'm still waiting for the price to get up much further. We need to break this last top here. Once we break this last top, everything will be doing fine. Okay. So we need to break this last top. Let's see other markets meanwhile. Euro dollar is still very low. Volume is still fading below EMA 20. So, and the GBP dollar also. So exactly the perfect candidate was AUD dollar. Here we are. $40 on profits, and we are still waiting. We are on $40 profits, and we are still waiting for the price to get up much further. Just wait for it. Be patient in Forex trading. As you can see, price retraced toward this first support area and bounced off from there. Okay. And here also on Euro dollar, GBP dollar, and everything is still attached. Euro GBP is still going on some sideways. AUD dollar It's not bouncing yet, but you just have to wait for this bounce. Okay, we didn't bounce yet, but we are waiting for this bounce. USD yet is doing great. Mainly all markets are moving slowly in this moment. Okay, but a sudden bounce is going to happen. A sudden uptrend is going to happen. Price will be drifting upward in aggressive mode here on AUD dollar, and that's what we are waiting for in order to continue this uptrend. Okay, that's what I'm talking about. We need the price to break this last top. Okay, perfect. We are missing the big volume, but okay, it's fine. Even if we go slowly, that would be fine. Okay, at least we are going up and much more. Okay, euro dollar is there. GBP dollar also is bouncing up again. Euro dollar also is there, is in the uptrend region. Okay, uptrend area, doing great. And AUD dollar, we are still waiting for it. Getting slower, but it will be going up sooner or later. Okay, we just have to wait for it to continue this uptrend. For Euro GBP, still sideways as discussed earlier on. USD yen, it's a good sell opportunity, but still the market is going on sideways much further. Okay, because you are missing a big volume. Okay, big volume makes the market move faster. So the market has retraced very well on AUD dollar, and now it should be going up further and further after this big retracement. And as you can see, the first support area is getting closer to my orders, and now on it will be above my orders. Okay, pay attention here. If you are not in uptrend, you cannot do these things. Okay, you need an uptrend, otherwise you cannot do these things. I mean, buy and retrace and sell. Okay, if you are, for example, in a fake uptrend, this would be maybe in sideways or a reverse, or okay, so you cannot do this technique, buying and selling the retracement and reaching EMAs and then entering the trend. Okay, you have to make sure that you are in uptrend. Okay, and how to make sure, that's explained also in the full version. How to know that if you are in uptrend or not. Okay, okay, perfect. We are up again on AUD dollar finally. That's 56. That's our fourth $100 is on the way. We are already on 369. So let's say $400 almost. Okay, so we will be reaching 500 and even maybe $600. Okay, the first $100 is on the way. First $100 is to be reached very soon. Now we just need to break this one. Let's see, other markets also started to trend up again. GBP dollar is doing great. It has crossed this tough resistance line finally. GBP dollar. Okay, AUD dollar is going up and then retracing. It's facing difficulties here, but still we didn't create the head and shoulders patterns. So that's perfect because the market will continue going up. And now EMA 20 is almost above my orders, and the first support area is almost above my orders. Okay, USD yen told you from there, great selling one. So now mainly price started to continue this downtrend. GBP dollar is doing great also, and euro dollar. So I'm analyzing all the charts for you to understand how the market is doing now, how the market is working, how you should be analyzing all the charts when in trading. Okay, and therefore AUD dollar, we are still waiting for this big bounce. As you can see, the missing sign is now available. Volume was below EMA 20, now volume crossed EMA 20 and remained above. Let's see. First $100 reached, 130, 140, and much further. Breaking. Okay, breaking 150. As I told you, our $100 is on the way. That's another 150. Okay, we are still waiting for the price. Okay, the last peak broken, 170. Okay, and this is, we are going to make 200, as I told you before. This is 170, 180, also other markets, everyone is going up. GBP dollar is making this gap, indicating that this is going to be a very tough uptrend. If you didn't realize it yet, from this gap here, okay, it's also a price action indicator that the market is going up much further. Also for the down gap, it indicates like that, okay. USD yen, I told you to sell it. Everything is doing great, and AUD dollar also. Okay, AUD dollar also is breaking up much further. It's too early to close now, so I will be waiting for it just further. Since volume is remaining above the EMA 20, so I will be waiting for it further. Okay. Okay, going up. That's it. That's it. Much further. Almost $200. GBP dollar is the faster. Okay, the fastest. Okay, $200 reached $200 on GBP on AUD dollar. Okay, and you are still going up. Reached $200 and you are still going up. 208 and you are still going up. You will be making much further. That's another $200, and we are still waiting for the price to establish completely. Okay, to be up completely. And now the first support area is above my orders. That's it, full protection. Okay, first support area is above my orders. And now GBP dollar is what it was a great selling opportunity there, but that's also fun. Okay, so we are still going up much further. That's $200, and we are still up. Okay, now I'll be closing on $200 profits, and I will be making profits from GBP dollar. I want to sell it if it goes up much further. Okay, now I will be reaching EMAs. Take a look here. Now I'll be reaching EMAs. I'm looking for the perfect candidate to reach EMAs on it. This one was great, and the GBP dollar also was a great shot on GBP dollar for reaching EMAs. Okay, but missed it almost. Okay, perfect. GBP dollar is up again and AUD dollar is up again. Okay, I have closed already on my profits. Okay, so I'll be selling this one on AUD dollar mainly, or GBP dollar mainly on AUD dollar. Okay, let me check it. Also here it's explained in the full version which one to sell, or actually how to reach EMAs. Okay, that's what I'm talking about. Okay, now I'll be reaching EMAs on GBP dollar. It would be much better to reach it on GBP dollar. Okay, the reason is in the full. Okay, here I am for today. Okay, that's almost $600 in less than 2 hours, and I'm still going to make much further. That's how you would be flipping your account. Imagine doing that all day, okay? Just imagine doing that all day. Just think about it and imagine it, okay? And in order to reach these tops, as I am doing, to reach the top and to sell from the top, you need, first of all, the full version, and you need better experience, okay? The more experience you have, the better. That's another $30 in the market. And we are still waiting for much bigger profits. So I'm preparing my take profits in order to show you how to be making tons of profits in the market. And that's how you will be flipping your account, okay? Euro dollar is still going up, USD yen also, and AUD dollar, but very slow up movement. As you can see, very small candles. Okay, so my take profit are green again. So on GBP dollar, we are close. We are close. Price will be reaching. Okay, that's it. How much? 59. That's another $100 coming our way. Just wait for it. Another $100 is on the way. That's why I have sold here exactly on the top before the retracement. That's how you would be using the full version. That's how you would be flipping your account. That's another $100. Okay, what did I say? I told you another $100 is coming our way. Okay, the other one, another $100 is coming our way. Just wait for it. Euro dollar is still going up, providing a good selling opportunity. Euro dollar. GBP dollar, I'm still waiting for it to reach back this EMA 9 to close on this $100. USDN still going down. Okay, GBP dollar, perfect. It's going down much further. Okay, 67. Okay, 67. I'm waiting for it to reach this one. Okay, 60. Okay, it's risky here to wait for it. Price may retrace from there, may bounce off from there. So you need to learn. But since volume is below EMA 20, so it's not that risky. Okay, but already a $50 is great. So I'll be closing instead of taking this risk. Okay, price may bounce off from there, and I will be selling another market which is doing better. Okay, I'll be reaching other markets. And for meanwhile, it's on GBP USDN. Okay, that's it. I told you GBP dollar. I would be selling it because I would be closing on my $50 profits because price will be bouncing up again. I told you that, and that's exactly what happened. Okay, so euro dollar is going up again. Okay, now I am selling GBP dollar again to make another one. Okay, I'm selling it again. Take a look at how much profits I will be making. Okay, from GBP dollar again. That's it. You should be able to read the market that simply. Okay, that simply. I can read the market like an open book. Okay, and here it is where you start predicting the market correctly. Okay, so here we are. Another sell one. Another sell. Well, this is another 20. Here we are on $615 profits. Okay, perfect. That's another $56 in profits, and still waiting for much further than that. Since many calendars are passing without reaching the EMA 9 almost. Okay, so we can wait for much further. Okay, another $100 on the way. That's it. That's another $100. Okay, how much? Here we are, $714 in profits. Imagine, in less than 2 hours, you are making $700. Imagine, in less than 2 hours, I'm trading from a very tough account, very low leverage. Imagine with a higher leverage, how much you would be making, okay? And that's it. That's $700. That's $700 in profits. $700 in profits within less than 2 hours. Imagine trading like that the whole day, repeating again and again and again. Okay, that's how actually you would be flipping your account using the full version of this EMA strategy, and that was just a one situation of applying it. Okay, you have still too many different situations, but everything is explained in the full version. I just wanted to show you how fast you can make huge profits, how fast you can flip your account easily. Okay, and that's it for today. Thank you for watching. For the full version, it's available on my website. Okay, for the full version of this strategy, it's available on my website. And thank you for watching again, and see you in my next videos.